There are a few simple things you should do as a regular habit before and after each coffee making session. Following these will make for less effort later on. One of them is the group head purge. Before your first extraction, insert the filter basket you intend to use for your shot into the portafilter. Insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. Run a short flow of water through the group head by touching the Brew button. Allow water to flow for 5 seconds. Then, touch the Brew button again to stop the flow of water. This will purge any ground coffee residue from the group head and stabilize the water temperature prior to extraction.